All right, guys, so this is the video directions for investigating light's effects on genetic material modeling tool. So if I just kind of look at the slides here, you'll kind of notice that this looks similar to a different modeling tool we've done before, but it is a little different on what we're doing in the sim and how we're getting there. Okay, so a rubric is on slide 1. So it's 24 points. These are all the points. Make sure you read this. Um, Okay, so part 1, modeling light's effects on genetic material. So we're going to use the sim to test the effects of different types of light from the sun on genetic material. Refer to the image below to see which types of light from the sun reach Earth's surface. Then create the modeling tool showing your results. So just notice gamma rays and X-rays don't reach Earth's surface, but ultraviolet, visible light, infrared, microwave, and radio waves do. So we are going to test these waves in the sim. All right, I know I need to get the sim open, so I'm going to get that loading. Okay, so while it's loading, I'm going to come here. So we're going to turn on an energy. We're going to drag the genetic material to the platform. And this time we're going to set the source to the laser. And then we're going to drag the bar to all of our different types of light besides gamma ray and X-ray. So let's go look in the sim. So genetic material. Turn the energy on. And I'm going to set it to laser. And what you'll need to notice is that I can, like, right here I'm on gamma ray. So here I'm on ultraviolet. Remember, because I don't want gamma ray or X-ray. So that's the first one I'm going to want. So let's see. Okay. And then we're going to record our results on our modeling tools. So there is actually a model A and a model B. So let's look over here. So to show, so our goal is to show what happens to genetic material where it's exposed to different types of light from the sun. So if the type of light has an effect on the genetic material, we're going to record that on model A. And if the type of light has no effect, we're going to put that on model B. So let's look. So model A, we're going to put the type of light and the change, what effect it has. And my 2 little blue lines are telling you that 2 of them cause an effect. And then here on model B, we're going to put if they have no change. And so we can tell that there's going to be 3. And then I am going to make sure to drag the arrow, the yellow arrow, to show the path of light. Okay, so I'm going to start with ultraviolet. Okay, I can tell it's getting absorbed. So if it's getting absorbed, then we're going to definitely have a change. I'm going to press inspect. And it is damage. So I'm going to go back here. So that was model A because I had a change, right? So first of all, I'm going to grab my sunlight. That's our light source. I did ultraviolet. It caused damage. And I'm going to drag my arrow. Okay, notice I'm not done because I still have to test. I'm going to test all of these different lights, right? So I'm going to go back to my sim. I'm going to pull it just a little bit to the right. So that was ultraviolet. Okay, so it's ultraviolet. Now I'm in visible light. So I could do any of these colors. So I'm just going to do blue. It doesn't matter. I'm going to press inspect. No change. If I do yellow just to check, no change. If I do red, orange, whatever I did, no change. So that's probably giving me a clue where to put visible light. So should I put it on model A? Or would I put it over here? Probably over here where it had no change because that's what we saw, right? So visible light, sun. Oh, sun. Yellow arrow. Okay, so I'm going to have you guys do the rest. So again, you're just dragging this laser and then it just says right here where you're at. So infrared, I noticed something different's happening there. You're going to press inspect. You're going to find out. Okay. So once you've done that for ultraviolet, visible light, infrared, microwave, and radio wave, then you're going to come to slide 7 and 8 and answer the questions. So there's 3 questions here. Highlight all that apply. So it could be one, it could be more than one. Okay. And then slide 2, you're going to put yes or no here. Can ultraviolet light cause damage that leads to skin cancer? Yes or no? Remember, anytime we have damage as an effect, that can lead to skin cancer. So can visible light cause damage that can lead to skin cancer? What did we just see over here? Visible light had no change, so that would be no. So I just gave you another answer. All right. So you finish this up in your group and get it turned in. All right. That's the assignment.